Welcome to Pinch of Taste. Let's make juicy grilled burgers. Ingredients: cut 5 to 6 chicken breast pieces in slices. Let's prepare marination. 3 to 4 tablespoons oil, 2 tablespoons mustard paste, 3 tablespoons soya sauce, 3 tablespoons vinegar, 1 tablespoon carom seeds, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Dip and marinate chicken in prepared mixture. Properly coat chicken with spices. Marinate for about 4 to 5 hours. Let's prepare special sauce. Half cup mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon mustard paste, 1 teaspoon vinegar. Mix. Pinch of oregano, half teaspoon chili flake, pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon garlic paste. Cut vegetables which you want to use for salad. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons oil in pan. Grill breast piece on medium heat. Cook both sides for 7 to 8 minutes. Take another pan. Grease it with oil. Toast burger buns for 2 to 3 minutes. Time to assemble. Spread prepared sauce on bun. Spread some chili garlic sauce. Some lettuce. Add grilled chicken. Some cabbage, tomato, and cucumber slices. Spread sauce again. Some onion slices. Some jalapenos. Spread chili garlic sauce on top bun. Juicy and yummy grilled burger is ready to eat. If you like the video, please share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.